you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume.
First day in Railay. It's very nice. Yeah, not this bit. Our hostel is insane as well. But we're just walking to the beach. We're gonna get a boat to a little separate island where apparently looks quite nice. And then later on we're doing a hike. And then later on again, I don't really know what we're doing. What are we doing later? I don't know, yeah, we'll figure it out.
The only one, 'cause you are the only one. The only
I think I just got that on GoPro.
What is a Penang curry like?
It's not gonna record.
Did you see his face? Did you see his face?
Yeah, but I don't know who the fuck Raheem Sterling is!
Google it.
Raheem Sterling! Enough, even though he was good, I remember him in the walk.
Charlotte vlog.
Hello, my name's Charlotte. I'm Australian now. Yes, that's the guy I had in my head! That is the guy I had in my head! I've seen a boy for art. You like lemon?
Limon.
Loyal, and I'm shook. I thought Lemon was gonna fuck Pablo Escobar right over, and now he's like stuck in his